tayo guys. Let's go D3. Let's go.
Ang ganda ng pwesto natin.
Tol, si Lebron, tol!
Lebron!
And yes, we are here at Lille, France, an Olympic basketball game between USA and Serbia. But before that, let's go back a few hours before the game. And as you can see, gumawa kami ng poster, baka sakaling mapansin tayo ng star-studded team of USA. Who knows, di ba? Baka mapansin nila tayo.
Ano masasabi mo, sis? Boring.
Hello! Aswan, good jobs. Merci si Spitching. Nasaan? Let's go, Team USA! Woo!
Nakaano ako eh.
Let's go, bawal yan!
It took us 2 hours from Paris to Lille. Kasama na doon yung gas stops. And here we are arriving at Stade Pierre Mauroy. And to have enough energy to cheer for the game, kumain muna kami ng lunch.
So, naka-shades pa si Brad Chop eh. Piolo eh. Yum yum.
Ano ka kaya? Patingin?
Just to see you, LeBron.
Let's go! US!
Hindi talaga fans ng Europe eh, no?
Oo, yan ang maganda boy. Welcome!
USA! USA!
Tayo guys. Let's go D3. Let's go.
Ang ganda ng pwesto natin.
Tol, si Lebron, tol!
Lebron! Lebron!
James en passant par Bogdan Bogdanovic et Steph Curry, seuls 110 plus ni moins que quelques-uns des meilleurs joueurs du monde.
Steph Curry ako dyan, tol. Ay, di Durant. Uwi na.
Team ano? Team
Team ano ka? Team ano tol? Team USA. Tol, okay ka na tol? Nakita mo si ano?
Sure, tol.
Lebron tol. Nakita mo si Lolo Bron.
Kevin James.
Kevin James. Yan tol, pangalan ng anak mo tol, Kevin James tol ha.
Gary.
Ito, di tinigilan si Steph Curry eh. Sino yan? Cooking. Anthony Edwards. Anthony Edwards. Boy, babay ka na boy.
Ubalil.